Opportunities this week. As the markets became buoyant, there is a slew of stocks that qualify a buying opportunity. Let's look at how our earlier ideas have performed before going to new ones. Not all the ideas that get generated go on to become great winners. We have so far done 3 videos in the Opportunities this week series. We have talked about 5 stocks. Here is the list of stocks and their performance since we shared those ideas. Shriram Transport leads with close to 18% gains. Axis Bank has 15% gains. Metal stocks are catching up and Federal Bank did not get in. Click on the card above to watch the videos that have shared thoughts about these stocks. As the stocks are moving up, they are locking in profits too. To get protection on the profits that your positions have, join our discussion group where we track the ideas that are shared in these videos. To join the group, send a WhatsApp message to the contact given in the end of the video. This week's opportunity, the engineering and construction giant of India, L&T, posts 118% profit growth quarter on quarter. However, most of these profits came from extraordinary numbers, yet the market has given a thumbs up for the stock. The significant revival expected in the country on the infrastructure spends can be the reason for this optimistic expectation on L&T. Supporting this expectation, L&T has grabbed a 25,000 crores contract for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. This stock has given a reversal this week. It will be an excellent opportunity to buy L&T above its current week high with the appropriate stop and trail with a stop loss to lock in profits as the stock moves up. Levels to watch are 1025, where L&T can have a resistance. If it passes through this number with volume, this stock can have a potential for very good profits. Like these, a couple of opportunities this week are in Hindustan Petroleum, L&T Finance and Holdings and Pidilite. Build a portfolio of sound stocks having right exposure to each stock in the portfolio. Learn how to do a stock selection and portfolio building through our basic course on stock market investing. Click on the link below to register for the next